Hi, my dinos! Thanks for joining me for another episode of Numbers with Kitty Cat. That's me, I'm Kitty. How's everyone doing today? Good, I'm so glad you're doing great. Just remember, the worksheets are provided for you in the link below. Just press the Show More button underneath the video, and there's a link for your parents to print them out. If you can't print them out, don't worry, just join along. I'm just so happy you're here. Are my dinos ready for a brand new worksheet? Okay, let's go. First, dinos, grab your favorite color crayon and write your name. Did I tell you how great your letters are getting? I'm so proud of you. Okay, now that we're done writing our names, let's read the direction. It says, color the numbers that is similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the numbers that is similar. Today's number is 1. We are going to find all the ones and color them. Let's start. Is this number? No. How about this one? No, that's a 4. And this one? Good job! That's a 1. Color in that 1 any color you like, dinos. Okay, now that we're done, let's keep going. Is this one? No, that's a 2. How about this? Good job! Color in that 1, dinos. Any color you like. Okay, let's keep going. This number? No, that's a 6. And this one? Nope, that's a 3. How about this one? Yes, good job, dinos. Color in that 1. You're getting so good at this, dinos. Let's keep going. Is this number? Nope, that's 2. How about this one? Nope, that's a 5. And this number? Good job, dinos. Color in that 1. Let's keep going, dinos. How about this number? Nope, that's a 4. And this one? Good job! Color in that 1. You're doing so great, dinos. Great job! Let's keep going. Is this a 1? Nope, that's a 7. How about this one? Yep, that's a 1. Color in that 1. We're almost done, dinos. Let's keep going. Is this one? Nope, that's 8. And this one? Nope, that's a 9. And this one? Nope, that's a 6. And this one? Nope, that's a 3. How about this one? Yes, that's a 1. Color in that 1, dinos. Great job, dinos. Now it says, how many numbers did you color? Let's read it one more time. How many numbers did you color? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. We colored 7 ones. Let's write the number 7. Great job, dinos. You guys did such an awesome job. Now let's not forget to color the last one. Any color you like. What color did you choose? Oh, I like that color. Whoa, dinos, check out all those ones. I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to see you next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!